Okay, so some of this stuff with this lab, we just wanted to make sure that you guys kind of got the feel for it. Walking into a lab, you would have to know obviously all of your equipment. So I wanted to show you our list of materials that we needed for this lab, and we'll kind of run through the procedures as well. Okay. So what we see over here, so it says safety first, wear safety goggles. I couldn't get that into this image, but you do have to wear your safety goggles, obviously. The plastic shield and the fume hood right here are circled because you got to have some sort of ventilation, right? And so, kind of guard your audience. And so what we did instead of both of those is I am in the back corner of my classroom next to an open window to kind of vent that air out, the gases that are produced, carbon dioxide and water vapor. We're going to let that go out that window. And I don't have an audience in the classroom for this video. Okay, then you see that we need gummy bears. So gummy bears are right here in this little baggie. You can kind of see that over here. And then next we need potassium chlorate. So here's our bottle of potassium chlorate. So in the next little image, you're going to see what it actually looks like. But we would use this, is called a scoopula or spatula. I've heard it both ways. And this is little weigh paper or a weigh boat that you see right here. Okay, and so we would use this to scoop it out of this container into this weigh boat. And here is our balance, which is going to take the measurement of the mass. Then you see that we need a Pyrex test tube. So let me kind of move the image down that way. So here's our little test tube. It's glass, okay? But Pyrex just means that it can withstand that heat. And then you see that we need a ring stand and clamp. So our ring stand is this little device right here. So you see that we have a little stick that goes up from a base. It's metal. And then clamp to it, this is your test tube holder. And so that's usually what we use the ring stands for. The Bunsen burner is this little device right here. And so this tube goes to these two little nozzles, okay? And so with this little nozzle, basically it's in the off position right now. Let's see if I can zoom in on that. There we go. So it's in the off position right now, but we would turn this in line with the tube in order to release the gas, in which then we would use this lighter right here. And basically what it does is we scrape the metal across it, it creates a spark, and that's what ignites this. It's a combustion reaction, okay, to light the Bunsen burner. Then you see matches, so that's what we're using instead of matches. Tongs are these over here. And so hopefully that kind of helps you guys see some of the lab equipment that you guys haven't been able to see.